No. Yeah.
Nothing I can't handle from him.
It's like the tamest dog I've ever seen.
Yeah. He knows better. You know, just playing with him. Yes, yeah. Okay. See?
What happened, Jack? What happened?
Free.
Go eat the kittens. I kick you right in the balls you don't have.
Don't have balls.
I know, that's why I said I kick you right in the balls you don't have.
Go there. Out.
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 That's gonna be on my YouTube vid. That's awesome. So was that. Look at that. What? What hit me? Oh.
Ah, Jack!
Ah. I dropped it. You bite me?
Jack!
I
Nice.
farted on him.
Nice. Go. Out.
That's mean.
He's attacking me.
Oh!
What did you hit me for? I didn't do nothing.
Go. Go. Still taping?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Tommy.
Fuck you, bitch.
You just ruined a good video, Tommy. How dare you?
How about I show you my ass?
Ah, not in my house.
I'm posting that to YouTube. The entire nation's gonna see you.
From low high school. And showing his ass.
Get down here.